Welcome. Today's class is all about gentle core activation to help you feel more supported, centered, and strong from the inside out. Today's class isn't about crunches or forcing or intensity. It's about reconnecting to your body through breath and gentle movement. So if you're feeling out of sync with your body, this is your invitation to slow it down, to come home to yourself. So let's begin. You'll need a small ball, little squishy ball. If you don't have one, that's fine. You don't need to use it. I also have socks on to help my heels slide on the mat. So sometimes without socks, they can stick on your mat. So if you want some socks to slide easily, go ahead and grab those now and let's get started. Now you can start any way you want. If you want to start seated, make sure you're comfortable in the seated position. If you want to lie down on your back, you can do it there as well. Sitting up tall or lying down long, just take your hands right onto your lower ribs and let's breathe in through the nose as you expand your ribs softly. And exhale, allow your ribs to come in as if you're pulling in from all sides around your body. Inhale, expands. And exhale, just let it deflate gently. Stay tall, you don't want to crunch into this. Inhale. Just a gentle inhale as it expands. Exhale. Close your eyes and you're going to give me 3 more just like this. Just allowing your body to get present here. Allowing the breath to create space in your body. Allowing your body to grow into that expansiveness. Maybe you release some tension as well. We're going to go ahead and lie down. Just let your body settle for a second on the mat. Allow whatever needs to let go, let go. You're going to place the ball right in between your thighs. And just nice long spine, long arms. Take an inhale, just like you've been doing. And then on your exhale, just draw the belly in and up as you squeeze the ball. Inhale, release. Gentle opening of the ribs. Exhale, allow those ribs to close. And then draw your belly in and pull it up through and out the crown of your head. Play with that sensation. Inhale. Exhale. And that ball just allows you to get a little bit deeper through your center. So if you don't have a ball, that's fine. It still works without it. Take an inhale here. On your exhale, you're now going to roll through the spine into a bridge. So on your exhale, you'll squeeze the ball as you kind of imprint the spine. Start to pick those glutes up as you reach it up and stretch those thighs away from you. The ball is squeezed. Inhale. Release the ball a little bit as you expand the ribs. Exhale. Draw that belly in and up as you squeeze the ball. And you'll just articulate it down through the spine. Inhale, release the ball. Exhale, squeeze and articulate it up. Gaze straight up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Give 3 more like this. I'm just going to allow your body to find its own rhythm. and release. Good. All right, so now let's let that ball go. All right, you're going to take an inhale here as you slide your heel away from you, and you're going to just really keep sort of your pelvis nice and stable, and then exhale as you slide it back in. Other side, inhale, slide it down. You're extending the hip, but you're still drawing that belly in. And then exhale, try to drag that heel in from your belly, pulling in and up. Inhale, exhale. One more each side. Actually, one more each side now. Now I'm even counted too quickly. Feel that belly in and up like it's in opposition of that leg. Exhale. So even though you're inhaling, you're still engaging the belly. The exhale just allows you to feel that belly a little deeper. But as you're inhaling, you're still pulling it in and up. As you exhale, you can feel it deeper, right? Stay right there. Inhale, prepare. On your exhale, you're going to take one leg to tabletop. Inhale, take it down. Exhale, other leg to tabletop. So as you inhale, the expanding of the ribs gently, your belly's still engaged, and as you exhale, you just deepen that connection in and up. Let's keep this one up. Stay for an inhale. Exhale, can you take the other leg up without arching that low back? So really keep the spine the same shape as it's been. Take an inhale here. On your exhale, just let your toe go towards the floor, and then you're going to bring it right back up. And we let it reach towards the floor. Exhale. Inhale, come back up. Now it's not about touching the floor. It's about, can you keep this connection without letting anything pooch up? You can even reverse the breath if you want to go out on an inhale. Exhale, pull up. So you'll notice I'm not even tapping the floor. I've sort of lost my connection today a little bit. So tapping, there we go, I finally got it. But you don't need to. You'll feel the work being done, and you stay in the range of your body. Okay, remember, this is gentle core activation. We'll do one more each side. So waken it up. And then allow the thighs to just fall into your chest. Good. Legs down. We're going to turn it to all fours. Okay, and I want you to take the hands right underneath your shoulders, the knees underneath your hips. On your inhale, we're just going to sort of open the chest in front of you as you kind of extend that spine. And then exhale, just articulate it and round it as you pull your belly up to the sky. Inhale. Draw that belly in and up. Allow the ribs to open. And exhale like a corset. Just pull everything in and up. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And then just bring it to center. I'm actually going to use my ball again and put it in between my thighs, just to really allows me to get into my center. Tuck your toes under, and we're going to do a little knee lift. So I want you to inhale, really prepare yourself here. Open the ribs, pull the belly in. And then on your exhale, you're going to hover your knees as you draw that belly in and up and squeeze the ball. Yeah? Inhale, give it a little release. Exhale, pull in and hover. Down. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Release, drop your toes down, send it back into a little stretch here. You can kind of get rid of the ball, place the ball under your forehead if you'd like, and just let go here. One more breath. Roll it up through the spine to get a little stretch through the backs of your front of your ankles. Yeah. And we'll give ourselves a little side stretch. So inhale, reach the arm up, one arm down, and then exhale, flex over. Inhale it up, exhale, flex over. All right, just doing 2 more each side. Just feel that reach and lengthen. Exhale as you flex. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Good. And we'll have a seat and just do a little twisting of the spine just to kind of release whatever tension we may have left. Hopefully not much. Inhale here. Exhale. Come to center. Inhale. And exhale. Good. So I don't often cue breathing so much, but that is what we're working on today is breath. So I'm really cueing it so that you're more aware of it. And in time, you don't think about it as much. But it's nice to get the cue right now, right? So you don't forget. And then return to center and just see how you feel. You can close your eyes for a minute. Place your hand on your heart to see how you feel. Well, there you have it, 10 minutes. And hopefully you feel more connected, more centered, more awake. That was the goal of this class. So if you enjoy this gentle approach, then you'll love my new 5-day series, Reset, Rebuild, Rise. It's sort of the next step to reconnect with yourself from the inside out through gentle movement, mindset work, breath work, and it's all just 10 minutes a day for 5 days. So if you're interested, the link is below, or you can head over to balancetothecore.com to sign up. I'd so look forward to working with you and working with you in this nice, gentle way that many of us aren't used to working. So thanks so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time on the mat. Take care.